Welcome back to Factor Calculus. So in the previous video we have discussed on the meaning of factor and scalar and also curl, divergence, gradient and unit normal factors, directional derivative, etc. So today we will solving the examples on these factor normals or unit factor normals, directional derivative and etc. So first example is find the unit factor normal to the surface at the indicated points x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz is equal to 3 at the point 1 2 minus 1 here. So first one we will expressing the given equation as pi is equal to, so pi equal to x cube y cube plus 3xyz here. So here 3 is constant, either you will take it 3 or you will eliminate 3, there is no difference here. So here we will not considering this 3. So now we will calculating del phi is the factor normal to the surface. In the previous class or previous video we will discuss the definition of del phi, which is dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. So dou phi by dou x means differentiating pi function with respect to x partially. So partially means while differentiating with respect to x, treating y and z as temporarily constant here. Similarly, dou by dou y means differentiate pi with respect to y, treat x and z as temporarily constant, and in dou by dou z differentiate pi with respect to z, treating x and y as constant here. So differentiation of pi with respect to x is 3x square plus 3yz into I plus pi with respect to y. So 3y square plus 3xz into j plus pi with respect to z here. So 3xy into k. So which gives the del phi. Now we using the given points 1 2 minus 1 here. So it means substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to minus 1 in del pi equation. So del pi at the point 1 2 minus 1. So after substituting x, y and z as 1 2 minus 1, the above equation become minus 3i plus 9j plus 6k, or if we take 3 as common, so 3 into bracket minus I plus 3j plus 2k. Now unit vector normal to the surface. So you know that the formula n cap is equal to del phi divided by mod of del into pi. So you already know that del phi is 3 minus I plus 3j plus 2k whole divided by mod of del phi. So mod of del phi means take the square root of numerator. So square root of 3 square, that become 9. Coefficient of I, j and k. Coefficient of I is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1. Coefficient of j is 3, 3 square is 9, and coefficient of k is 2 and 2 square become 4 here. So after simplifying we will get it n cap as minus I plus 3j plus 2k whole divided by square root of 14 here. So here square root of 9 is 3, so in numerator and denominator 3 and 3 cancelled out. So which is the required unit normal to the surface. Next example, x square y plus y square z plus z square x is equal to 5 at the point 1 minus 1 2. So here also we calculating the unit normal factor. So first one denote the given equation as pi is equal to then use the definition del phi, that is dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z into k. So after differentiating pi with respect to x, we will get it 2xy plus z square I, pi with respect to y partially. So x square plus 2yz into j plus differentiation of pi with respect to z is y square plus 2zx into k. So now we will substituting the value of x, y, z as 1, minus 1, 2 in del phi equation. So put the value of x is 1, y is minus 1, z is 2. So you will get it 2i minus 3j plus 5k. Then the unit normal vector n cap is equal to del phi divided by mod of del phi. So del phi is 2i minus 3j plus 5k whole divided by mod of del phi, means take the square root of coefficient of I, j and k. 2 square minus 3 square and 5 square, 4, 9 and 25. So which gives 2i minus 3j plus 5k whole divided by square root of 38. So which is the required unit normal vector. So one more example, xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1 at the point minus 1, 2 and 3. So you will try this example similar like the previous two examples. Now the problems on directional derivative. So find the directional derivative of pi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx at the point 1, 2, 3 along the equation or directional derivative 3i plus 4j plus 5k. So here also first one we calculating del phi, because we know that the formula for directional derivative is del phi dot n cap. So for this formula we required is del phi first here. So here also dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj, dou phi by dou z into k. So differentiate pi function with respect to x partially, with respect to y and with respect to z partially. So you'll get it y plus z into I plus x plus z into j plus y plus x into k. Then use the point 1, 2, 3. So we'll get it del phi as 5i plus 4j plus 3k, and the unit vector in the direction of, so unit vector is 3i plus 4j plus 5k. So now required is n cap. So del phi dot n cap. So before this one we'll calculating n cap. So n cap as vector d divided by mod of vector d, that is 3i plus 4j 5k whole divided by square root of coefficient of I square, coefficient of j square, coefficient of k square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square, 9, 69, 25, which gives the 5 into square root of 2. Numerator is 3i plus 4j plus 5k. So that is the n cap here. So now the required directional derivative is del phi dot n cap. So already we calculated del phi and n cap. So take the dot product of these two result. So dot product means multiply I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k is 1. So 5 into 3 15, 4 into 4 16, 3 into 5 15 whole divided by 5 into square root of 2. So after simplifying we will get it 46 divided by 5 into square root of 2. So when they will ask the problems on directional derivative, you will remember it the formula as del phi dot n cap. Then second example on directional derivative. Phi is equal to xy square plus yz cube at the point 2 minus 1 and 1 along the direction I plus 2j plus 2k. So solution, here also first one calculate del phi, means by differentiating phi with respect to x, y, z partially, which gives y square I plus 2xy plus z cube into j plus 3y z square into k. Then after substituting x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z is equal to plus 1, we get it del phi as I minus 3j minus 3k. And n cap is, so use the directional derivative, I 2j 2k divided by square root of, take I square, coefficient of j square and coefficient of k square. 1 plus 4 that become 3. Then applying del phi dot n cap, so take the dot product for these two result. I minus 3j minus 3k dot I plus 2j plus 2k divided by 3. So which is equal to multiply I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. So 1 dot 1 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 whole divided by 3. So which gives the directional derivative as minus 11 divided by 3. Now the examples on angle between two surfaces. When they are given the two surfaces, then we will finding the angle between two surfaces here. So first surface is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 and z is equal to x square plus y square minus 3 at the point 2 minus 1 2. So first solution, first one we will using the two surfaces as phi 1 and phi 2. So phi 1 is x square plus y square plus z square. So 9 is constant, we will not considering this one. Then calculate del phi, which is the vector normal to the surface. So del phi 1 is dou phi 1 by dou xi plus dou phi 1 by dou yj plus dou phi 1 by dou z into k. So differentiate phi 1 with respect to x, y, z partially, we will get it 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. Then use the point 2 minus 1 2. So x is 2, y is minus 1, z is 2. So we will get it 4i minus 2j plus 4k, or after taking 2 as common it becomes 2i minus j plus 2k, which is the first surfaces. Then second surface is phi 2 equal to x square plus y square minus z. So here we will not considering minus 3 because 3 is constant. So after differentiating x square, y square and z with respect to x, y, z, we will get it 2xi plus 2yj minus k and use the point 2 minus 1 2, which gives 4i minus 2j minus k. Then we using the formula of angle between the two surfaces as cos theta equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 whole divided by mod of del phi 1 into mod of del phi 2. So numerator is 2 into del phi 1 is, so in dot applying dot product in numerator, 2i into 4i that become 8 minus 1j minus 2j that become 2 plus 2k minus k, which is minus 2. Then whole divided by mod of del phi 1. So mod of del phi 1 is 2 square root of 2 square is 4 then use the coefficient of I, j and k. 2 square minus 1 square plus 2 square, which become 4 plus 1 plus 4, and similarly del phi 2, 4 square minus 2 square minus 1 square, 16, 4 and 1. So which use 8 divided by 3 into square root of 21, or theta equal to cos inverse 8 divided by 3 into square root of 21. So which use the angle between the two surfaces. Next example, find the angle between the two normals to the surface xy equal to z square at the points 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, minus 3. So in previous example and this one is, the difference is here they will given the only one surfaces and 2 points here. So we will calculating del phi 1 and del phi 2 with the help of xy equal to z square. Then we substituting these 2 points which gives the 2 surfaces, and later we will calculating the cos theta, that is angle between two surfaces. So here phi is equal to xy minus z square, given equation. So we will calculating del phi, means differentiating phi with respect to x, y, z partially, we obtain yi plus xj minus 2 zk. So in this equation we substituting these 2 points here. So use x equal to 4, y equal to 1, z equal to 2, which use 4i plus j minus 4k. 4i plus j minus 4k, which is denoted as vector a. Then similarly use x equal to 3, y equal to 3 and z equal to minus 3 again in above equation, which use 3i plus 3j plus 6k, or take 3 as common, so I plus j plus 2k, which use the, or which is denoted as vector b. Now we are applying the angle between two surfaces as vector a and vector b. So cos theta equal to vector a dot vector b whole divided by mod of vector a into vector b. So which is equal to 3 into coefficient of I, j and j, k and k. So which use 1 plus 4 minus 8 whole divided by coefficient of I, j, k, 1 square, 4 square and minus 4 square, 1, 16 and 16. And second one is 3 square is 9, 1 square, 2 square, 1 plus 4, which gives the 9 divided by square root of 33, 3 into square root of 6 here. Then after simplifying we will get it minus 1 divided by square root of 22, or theta is equal to cos inverse 1 divided by square root of 22 plus or minus 5. So which is the angle between the two surfaces.